You don't fail because you're not smart. You fail because your mindset isn't built to grow. Let's see why mindset matters more than talent. In this video, we're going to uncover the secret behind a growth mindset, the way of thinking that turns challenges into opportunities. Some people have a fixed mindset. They believe their abilities are set in stone. They think things like, I'm not good at this, or, this is too hard. Every failure feels like proof that they can't improve. Others have a growth mindset. They believe they can improve with effort. They say, I can learn, or, not yet. Mistakes become lessons, and every challenge is a chance to grow.
Feedback isn't an attack,
Notice
it's
the difference.
information.
A fixed mindset locks your brain in place. A growth mindset opens it to new possibilities. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of the process. Every time you stumble, you learn something valuable. The key is to stand up, take notes, and move forward. Every lesson learned brings you one step closer to improvement. Results take time. Effort is what you control. Small daily actions, like lifting weights, reading a page, or practicing a skill, compound over time. Effort leads to progress. Progress leads to results. Focus on what you can do today, not the outcome tomorrow. Feedback isn't criticism, it's information. When someone points out a mistake, don't take it personally. Listen, take notes, and use it to improve. Feedback shows you the path forward. It's how you grow faster and avoid repeating the same errors. Teaching others what you learn is one of the fastest ways to improve. When you explain a concept, your brain processes it more deeply. Share your knowledge with others, and you'll notice your understanding and confidence grow at the same time. Growth isn't about talent, it's about mindset plus action. Learn, practice, fail, and improve. That's how real growth happens. Now it's your turn. What will you work on this week? Comment below and share your first step. Let's grow together.